Welcome to Fact Fusion, where knowledge meets entertainment. Today, we're exploring a vital institution in Indian democracy, the Lok Sabha. What is the Lok Sabha, and how does it function? Let's dive in. The Lok Sabha, also known as the House of the People, is the lower house of India's bicameral parliament. It plays a crucial role in the legislative process and is a cornerstone of India's democratic governance. Established under the Indian Constitution, the Lok Sabha represents the citizens of India and serves as the principal forum for the expression of their will. The Lok Sabha consists of up to 552 members. These members are directly elected by the people of India through general elections, which are held every 5 years. The seats are distributed among the states and union territories based on their population. This ensures proportional representation, with each member representing a specific constituency. Elections to the Lok Sabha are conducted using a first-past-the-post system, where the candidate with the highest number of votes in each constituency wins a seat. This democratic process ensures that the Lok Sabha accurately reflects the diverse views and interests of India's vast and varied population. The Lok Sabha is presided over by the Speaker, who is elected by its members. The Speaker's role is to maintain order and decorum during debates, ensure that parliamentary rules are followed, and facilitate the smooth conduct of business. The Speaker is impartial and represents the whole House. The primary function of the Lok Sabha is to legislate. Members introduce bills, which are then debated and voted upon. A bill must pass through several stages in the Lok Sabha before becoming law. These stages include the introduction, detailed examination by committees, and several readings where members discuss and amend the bill. Another crucial function of the Lok Sabha is to oversee the financial administration of the country. The government cannot spend money or levy taxes without the approval of the Lok Sabha. During the annual budget session, the Lok Sabha scrutinizes and approves the government's budget proposals, ensuring accountability and transparency in the use of public funds. The Lok Sabha also holds the government accountable through various mechanisms. One of the most important is the question hour, where members question ministers about their policies and actions. This scrutiny ensures that the government remains answerable to the people and operates transparently. Representing the diverse population of India, the Lok Sabha plays a critical role in unifying the country. It provides a platform for all regions and communities to voice their concerns and participate in the democratic process. This inclusiveness strengthens national unity and promotes the welfare of all citizens. Understanding the Lok Sabha helps us appreciate the workings of Indian democracy and the importance of our role as citizens. By participating in elections and staying informed, we contribute to a vibrant and effective democratic system. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more educational content. Join us next time as we explore more fascinating topics. Until then, stay curious and engaged.